Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best portable gas griddles that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Blackstone Tabletop Griddle Outdoor Grill. The long-lasting steel construction prolongs the lifespan of this portable gas griddle. The smooth polished surface never troubles you while cleaning. Moreover, this appliance discards the need for expensive maintenances. This 22-inch tabletop grill also makes operation easier for homemakers. Nevertheless, this grill provides users with a 330 square inch cooking surface. The double burner design allows you to cook 2 dishes simultaneously. Furthermore, the charcoal-powered grill offers uniform heat distribution. You can have a smoky flavor in dishes by cooking on this appliance. However, the rear grease design makes cleaning hassle-free. These burners jointly produce up to 24000 BTU of cooking power as well. Moving on at number 4, we have Royal Gourmet Tabletop Gas Griddle. The detachable griddle top assures comfortable cleaning. The wobble-free feet also keep this portable gas griddle stable. Hence, you can use this appliance on any surface. Moreover, this appliance has 3 independently controllable burners. You will require a 20 lbs propane tank to make this model work. However, all these burners produce up to 25,500 BTU of heating power. The piezo igniter also offers ignition without matches. Furthermore, this tabletop grill provides a cooking surface up to 316 square inch. You can use this appliance for outdoor purposes, like tailgating and camping. Nevertheless, the slide-out grease cup offers trouble-free cleaning. You will get a regulator and a cover with this purchase. At number 3, we have Pit Boss Tabletop LP Gas Griddle. This propane grill works on propane gas. The stainless steel material construction also makes this appliance ultra-durable. Moreover, the griddle provides a cooking surface of 289 square inch. The cast iron cooking surface instantly develops heat. Hence, this appliance helps you to prepare meals faster than other models. However, the pre-seasoned griddle top comes with a thickness of 4.7 millimeters. The separately controllable burners also make handling easier for all. Furthermore, the push and turn igniters make the ignition process lesser complicated. This portable griddle makes traveling convenient for individuals. Nevertheless, the slip-resistant legs make cooking hassle-free on even terrains. This purchase includes a griddle cover as well. At number 2, we have Royal Gourmet Propane Gas Grill. This model is a perfect combination of a griddle and a gas grill. This portable gas griddle also consists of 4 independently adjustable burners. Moreover, the automatic ignition system offers quick startup every time. The different cooking zones let you make multiple dishes at once. However, the assembly process of this appliance is stress-free. The inbuilt 4-legged design also folds down compactly. Therefore, you can carry this appliance smoothly from one place to another. Furthermore, each of these burners produces up to 2000 BTU of thermal power. The assembly process is never an issue with this model. Nevertheless, the stainless steel construction makes cleaning even easier. And finally at number 1. Country Smoker's 4-burner griddle. The folding structure makes the portable gas griddle very much travel-friendly. The angled feet design also assures the structural stability of this griddle. Moreover, the collapsible structure makes storage trouble-free for people. You can utilize this grill for backyard cooking and camping. Nevertheless, the steel griddle top has a smooth texture. Therefore, you can also clean this appliance without any difficulty. Furthermore, the foam-wrapped handles make portability comfortable for everyone. This appliance provides a cooking surface of 597 square inch. However, you can prepare meals for 10 people at the same time. The cooking surface has an organic plant-based oil pre-seasoned finish as well. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.